So I'll be showing you how to post a picture on Instagram threads. Now I'll be showing you two ways to do this. Now the first method is starting in the Threads app. So just launch Threads and then go to New Post. And in the New Post, you should see this attachment icon here, the paperclip icon. Just tap on that. That takes you into your phone's gallery. Of course, if it's the first time, you have to grant some permissions. And then select the photo you want to add. Now let me just scroll and pick a photo like this one. And you can even post multiple photos if you want to, but I'll just post these two for now. Okay, so tap on add. That's going to add that photo or photos to Threads. Now if you want to, you can say something about these photos. Let me just say photos, but you can say whatever you want to say, and then choose who can reply if you want to choose. By default, it's anyone can reply, so you can tap on that and then choose either profiles you follow or people mentioned only. And then go ahead and post. That's going to upload and post those photos to Threads. And that's basically how to post a photo or photos on Instagram Threads. So once they're done, let's try and refresh the page, and you can see my post is here with two photos. There you go. Simple as that. And you can even see your photos when you go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon and seeing all your posts. That's basically how to post photos on Instagram Threads. The second method of doing it is starting from the gallery. Now if you go to your phone's gallery, find the photo you want to post. Find the photo you want to post, for instance this one, and then tap on the share icon. And then from the share options, you should see Threads. Okay, so tap on Threads. Now sometimes it will work, sometimes it won't. This time it's clearly trying to not work. Let's try again. It's a bit buggy at the moment, but with time it's going to work. You'll be able to tap on Threads and it's going to take you to the share page for Threads. But right now, as you can see, it's a little buggy. It did work a few minutes ago, so this is definitely a bug, which I'm sure they're going to fix in an update. But that's basically the second way of posting photos on Instagram Threads. Thanks for watching and good luck.